welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be playing Balloons TD Battles, aka just TD Battles. Balloons TD Battles. Oh wait, I said it. Alright, and I'm going to be joined by DJ.
Hi, fellers of the internet.
Yeah! Okay, let's just get on with it.
Let's just get on with it.
I said that.
I know,
Alright.
but I wanted to make it even more obvious.
It's already obvious enough that I don't even care about it. Alright, let's do this!
We're matched up with King's Gaming, so if you are King's Gaming, you're on YouTube.
But you're on one of the least popular channels of YouTube, so congrats! You will not be that popular. Unless somehow I get 10 million views in like a couple of days.
If you have been living under a rock, and you don't know what Balloons TD Battles is, it's basically a game where you pop balloons with different monkey items, like
Towers.
Yeah, there's like right now, Taco has a monkey buccaneer, which is like a pirate ship monkey thingy.
And my enemy.
You pop balloons to win. If too many balloons get past you, you lose. And you try and send balloons to the other person so that they get by them and you win.
Yeah. And so far, they have an apprentice and a thingy mabob.
A
monkabob.
A monkaneer.
Alright, and you can also send balloons at them. People
I
don't
just
like
a taco.
Oh, and guys, another thing. I'm going to be leaving to go to Minnesota, for the next, 2 weeks. So, be on the lookout on Twitch. Because I'm going to make Twitch videos. My username is z_graphene. And I hope you guys will like my Twitch. I haven't made a Twitch video yet, but keep an eye out and tell your family, tell your friends, tell everybody.
Tell your grandma who doesn't like YouTube.
Tell your dog that doesn't know how to work a computer.
Tell your pet pig. Tell your pet goat. Tell everyone in the world.
Go up there some random.
Sorry about that.
We just
There's a bit of a technical issue, and also we wanted to skip ahead because, come on, who wants to watch the entire match?
Me? Wait, I have to.
Because you're playing the game, dum.
Wow, I am a dummy.
I mean, you're not a dummy. You're just
a dummy.
What?
This is why I don't invite you to my channel.
I know. I made him do this. Literally, I dragged him over to his computer and we're like, making a video.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of making videos. It's fun. Just I use my different computer, and I don't want to switch off my other computer because this computer is the slowest computer of all time because it takes 10 hours to watch 1 second of a YouTube video. That's how bad it is. Okay, I may have exaggerated just a bit. It's just bad.
Yeet.
Please don't get yeet into this.
I know, the conversation was already stupid enough. I don't need to make it even more stupid than it already was.
Or maybe you'll get me views. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already.
Yes.
Channel.
Please subscribe to zgraphene on YouTube. I don't know why I'm telling you that. If you're watching this, you probably already did.
Yeah.
Or you're just bored on YouTube and you want to see something new.
Well, my first video was 500 views, which is amazing, even though I posted it a year or two ago.
It has 500 views because you viewed it 400 times.
Yeah, why? Oh, wait, for a second, I thought balloons were getting through. Balloons are getting through! I got you guys scared on your tippy toes. Oh, jeez, my ping is terrible. Oh, wait, there it goes. It's just a tad bit better. Oh, my ping is still terrible. Oh, wait, it's good. It's good. And it just goes back down to terrible. Oh.
It's going terrible, okay, good. Terrible, okay, good. Terrible, okay, okay.
It's saying at a good ping. It's probably. I really wish I could actually see the ping, the exact amount of ping.
You could probably Google it and bore the viewers.
Oh, guys, I played this game on my Oculus Quest. I know, I have a VR headset. I don't know how to record it yet, so yeah. But there is one thing. I have this game. It's like a VR sport. But so at the end of the game, it shows the leaderboard and who was MVP and stuff like that. But it also says people's pings, And once I joined a server with a person with 2,000 ping because it glitched. Like, my ping was usually like around 60 or 70 ping. Someone's glitched out and said 7,000 and stuff like that. It was
No one knows
crazy.
about ping, except for you, because you're a YouTuber and you actually care about it.
I need good quality videos. I need quality videos. Because if I don't have quality videos, I have quality channel. That made no sense. Oh jeez, he sent a blip. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
You're blabbing away while this guy's sending blips away.
I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose.
Oh, you survived it just barely.
But I need more defenses. Defenses are key
Yes,
to.
one monkey will save you from an entire blip. That's how that works. That's how the world works.
Yep.
Boys and girls and non-binary and people who identify as none of those.
Type. I don't know what I was gonna say. So, do you have anything to say about editing this video?
I mean, Taco's gonna make me do it. Sorry, the audio glitched out. I had to say that again. Another thing about Taco's internet is it makes stuff super glitchy. So
Shoot it! 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 Shoot it!
if at any point during this video the audio randomly cuts out, it's the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I think you guys all know that from my last video.
It probably cut out like 1,000 times.
Oh wait, my last video I had to delete. Yeah, because of so much copyright.
Because some guy followed you around with Spanish
No, it's
music
because
playing.
I took the source of the music and it was copyrighted. Dun dun dun! My worst nightmare actually is kind of my worst nightmare.
Because you're a kid and you have nothing else to
Oh,
think
what the? I didn't know this was a thing in the game. Guys, shoot the strongest, you idiots!
It's just like shooting pigs instead of the... Well, it's getting down-ish.
Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. No, you're shooting the wrong thing. I'm gonna lose, I'm gonna lose, I'm gonna lose, I'm gonna lose! I'm so lost. It's because...
It already got
I
defeated
know.
without blips.
Well, the problem was...
He's 13 and 10, bruh.
He just said random numbers. I'm not 10, I'm 13.
I meant your wins, bruh.
Oh.
He
I'm
has
gonna
13 wins and 10 losses in this game because, just a disclaimer, he did have a really good account, but then Steam decided to just yeet it out of the universe.
So now I have to restart from step 1. And I hate Steam after that. Actually, I still play a lot of Steam
Yeah, like
games.
90% of the games he plays is on Roblox or Steam.
And Minecraft. I don't actually play much Minecraft. I do play a lot of Mineplex though. Type in the comments down below if you want to see me play some Mineplex in my next video when I get back from Minnesota.
Which will probably be...
Why is it so long? Okay, what? Continue.
Yeah, screaming at it apparently is the key because
It did work.
it did
Do
work.
I have help? Couldn't. Oh,
You
I
said-
actually.
You said Hulk. Like, what's Hulk? It's like Hulk and something else.
It's me. Oh, come on, buddy. I had a good setup, and I wasn't gonna give it up. And I'm not gonna.
Monkey.
I'm not gonna. A mortar tower. Oh my gosh, that's the best thing in the game. I'm not a big
It's
fan of
one of the
mortars.
worst, actually.
Yeah, it's not that great. The only good part is it could shoot anywhere on the map. But
Also, not sponsored. Download Bloons TD Battles. It's free on iOS and Android. You can also get it on Steam, but it's really glitchy, like Taco just explained.
it's not really glitchy.
It's really glitchy.
You're really glitchy. Oh, got him! Oh, this map is not one of my specialty maps. Actually, well, it depends. I kind of forgot how this map goes. Oh, that's how the map goes.
There's too many options. Which one do you choose?
Ow, I just hit my head. Ow, I hit my head again. Where's my Nerf gun? Can I shoot this guy in fake reality? Wait, I mean real reality, but in fake reality. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna shut up. Stop hitting my couch. Yeah, I'm recording this on an entire sofa. I know. It's because I don't have a gaming chair and my only other chair is upstairs. and I'm too lazy to move it down. So that's
Subscribe to zgraphene so he can buy a gaming chair. Actually, a gaming chair is a lot less comfortable than this one, so don't.
They seem pretty hot and spicy. I'm not sure.
This guy is such a noob.
Don't listen to me. I'm just an idiot that sits
I'm
in the
talking
corner
about
of my
his
basement.
opponent, noob. You literally placed the search radius at, like, in front of me.
I think that's pretty good. Oh, geez, stop getting through. What the? Don't get through. I command you not to go through my defenses.
Well, the other players suck, so
Free. Let's send more balloons so he sucks even more.
you're sending greens.
It's the best thing I can get. And otherwise, blacks come in like that. What? It's just I have nothing in my life. I don't even have money.
Yeah, subscribe to. Sorry, the audio cut out again. I don't know what's going on, but subscribe. What I was saying is subscribe to zgraphene on YouTube. That's all I had to say.
Well, you're gonna have to edit this video a lot.
Yes.
The audio is real annoying in this video.
I don't know what's going on. It's like completely destroying the audio. It only happened 2 times, but it's still destroying
3 times,
the
you
audio.
mean? 3 times, I mean?
I know how to count. I'm just being lazy.
But 2 is 3 and 3 is 2.
That's how the world works.
Yeah, math. Guys, if you want to subscribe, I will do a math video about gaming. Because that is all about, that's my entire channel. Gaming.
And gaming. And also editing out stuff.
Yeah. Hooray!
Ah! That was a dumb idea.
Yeah,
I
because
just
you
leaned
were.
over the top of zgraphene's non-gaming chair and he
Should
could
I
go my back.
Should I buy signal flares or balloon buster?
Vote in the next video. No.
Oh, look at the cute picture. It's kind of cute.
Really doesn't have time.
I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna get flare because it's more expensive, and I like more expensive. Because, well, I don't know pricing in the real world. I don't know how to price stuff in the real world, and I'm just kind of dumb.
Not dumb, just
Dumb.
not dumb, just I'm not sure.
Yeah, because you know I'm dumb. That's why I have 2 IQ in my brain.
You don't have 2 IQ. No one has 2 IQ, or else you wouldn't know how to walk.
What if I have negative 1 IQ?
Then you
Negative.
wouldn't be able to live. 30 IQ is low, so negative 1 would be absolutely tragic.
I probably like right when I'm born, I'm dead. Boom! I got lightning!
That's sad. You can't see it because, well, the face cam's edited out, but
Yeah, I would have looked
really,
like it.
really lame lightning
Idiot.
sounds.
Sounds. I'm an idiot sound. I'm the sound of an idiot. I sound like an idiot, and I am an idiot.
That's how the world works.
La 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 la. That is my entire life. That's the entire definition of my life.
Sparky, the hedgehog.
I thought you were gonna say the talking artwork.
No,
We use that joke too much. We don't even put
I
in.
never used that joke. It was a video because I'm tired of boredom.
We are all tired, and I have to go on a 2-day road trip tomorrow.
And you have to drive through Illinois. Actually, no, Illinois is nice. Iowa.
Well, I know
Sorry, this
I
is
know
so-
we're gonna go to a camp. We're gonna stay at a campsite next to Mount Rushmore, which is gonna be amazing. Or I could suffer a lot. I don't know. You guys, tell me in the comments down below if
I
I
think they're gonna say you're gonna suffer because you won't have a Wi-Fi connection, so you can't make any sort of video in any way, shape, or form.
You're right. I need Wi-Fi to just live. No, I'm
Could
not
they-
that depressed, people. I'm not that depressed. Wi-Fi.
You know what's great?
What?
Miami.
I've never been to Miami. That's true. I have been to Florida, but not Miami.
Probably because there's not a lot of stuff for kids to do there if you're not into electronic dance music.
I thought you were gonna say basketball.
know. What do you think? There's an entire city just devoted to basketball? Actually,
Well, didn't you say there was like a state devoted to basketball? Or basketball was really popular? Or was it like?
actually, yeah, that's totally true in Kentucky.
I thought it was China. Wait, that's a country.
Oh,
Wait, no, that's a state. I don't know. I'm not smart. Okay, guys. What's that mean?
it means fuzz.
It means I am a bad YouTuber and should quit.
Open Chrome and search up how to be a good YouTuber.
Oh, look at his health! Boy, you're gonna die! After I get 2,500. Alright,
I'm already getting good ideas for editing.
Oh, we all have at the first stage. But I quit editing since you came along. Now I just post it. Oh, no.
What a great job! The audio cut out once again. So, what I was saying is nice job, Taco. You're doing a great job. You're talking too much, so you're losing the game. He declined it.
Wait, I clicked go again?
Yeah, you click go again.
Why did I not notice that? I actually thought I clicked go. Like, leave.
Go away.
I am blind.
I'm sitting on the chair
Well,
like
that
a
is true. I do wear glasses. But if they're off, I am blind.
Battle River.
I am a river. I'm the river of Kentucky. That's
It's not a
not.
thing.
I don't care. It's a thing in my world. And if it's a thing in my world, it's a thing in real life. Because my brain is real life in my
It's
opinion.
the source. What you don't know is that zgraphene is the Illuminati, so whatever he thinks comes a reality. Like he thinks that I'm gonna fall off this chair right now. Oh!
Wow, he completely acted that, made that a stupid little act, and made it look like he was an absolute idiot.
Seriously, my butt hurts now. I seriously think I might have just broke my butt.
Oh wait, I need to put down the tower. Oh, what do I do? I was saving up for a helicopter. Okay, you can't call me dumb if I knew what I was doing.
I thought you didn't know what you were doing. That's why you were saying, oh shoot, I forgot to put down a towel.
Yeah, I was trying to lie and make you guys think I didn't know, but I do know.
Because of that old noodle, huh?
It's oh, you're cracking me up. Let's put that picture of the horse back in.
I don't know about
that's
the
a
horse
knee
because I
slapper.
deleted it.
I
You
deleted the video.
Jinx, you owe me a Coke. Actually, I don't drink Coke, so you owe me a Fanta.
You don't drink Fanta.
I do sometimes. Actually, I've only
The
drunk,
only like
I've-
soda I drink is like Spray and 7-Up.
I've drunk Fanta like a couple times and I liked it, but I don't like soda, so I stopped drinking it because soda's bad for the environment.
I've tried Diet Coke. It sucks,
But it's diet,
but it has chemicals.
so
in
it's less diety than the normal Coke.
I guess that's true.
What are you doing placing that there?
I got it from my bonus, so I can upgrade it fully. So I can get the auto like
Oh,
the overpowered. This
auto
one. Yeah, auto fire. The overpowered sniper rifle
that's
killer,
my
but
favorite thing.
Jupiter.
That's my favorite thing ever. It's the best thing ever.
Yeah, one sniper could take out an entire blimp in 1 second.
Besides, okay, so we're back.
We just had some technical difficulties. It wasn't audio, but it was just
say oops in the chat. Just randomly, just say oops. After, just like put something down and just say
like,
oops.
they had problems in their life.
No, just like place down a tower and then do in the chat oops.
Oopsies. Oopsie doops. Why is the snipe? Wait, on this picture, the scope on the sniper is like a stick. On a stick.
It's like a stick on a stinky hot dog stick. Because it's made with dirty water.
I've never heard of hot dog. What's a hot dog? I'm kidding. I've heard of hot dogs. I absolutely hate them. Even though I wanted people to make scary hot dogs a meme.
Yes.
Remember?
They literally made me do a meme that's scary hot dog.
I know.
Although,
Oh, guys.
what he doesn't know is I literally did nothing. I copied that meme from the internet.
No, you know my second video that I did on Mad City? I absolutely hate Mad City now, but, you remember Mad City? That's where Stinky,
That's Where's Stinky?
That's where scary hot dogs came from when I was robbing the nightclub. I think. Yeah.
He
I was like,
thinks.
I'm a sphinx. I'm the Egyptian sphinx.
Sphinx?
You should put a picture of the sphinx in there.
It's the Sphinx, not the Sphinx.
I don't care. I know grammar. Kind of. I kind of know grammar. I'm a failure.
No, you're not a failure.
Shut up. I know what I am. You're just trying to hide it so I don't feel bad.
Blarp.
Blarp a derp. Blarp. Oh my god. I haven't done this. Oh, my ego.
It's exactly $300.
Shut up. It is 300.
I'm a seal.
Oh, jeez, my camera looks terrible. Stop trying to make me punch. I'm sensitive. I only have 2 towers, and
Stinky.
I'm doing super good.
You're doing okay. I mean,
Until he sends a blip, I'm dead. But
well, yeah. So send a blimp at him. You have enough money for it, and I think it's the round for it.
I'm getting super monkey just for in case, for extra safety measures. Yeah, I have
So
safety
you have-
violations. Safety
So you have-
violations.
A bunch of safety and no money. That's a great plan for success. That's like getting a security camera for a room that holds dirt. It's like, he stole my dirt. I gotta get a security system. The security system costs more than the dirt.
Well, that would make sense. Because you can just dig up dirt from your backyard for free.
That's the point.
I guess the guy there that owns that room. What?
I just tripped myself.
Okay.
On this thingy. Yay.
Ow. He put a dog pet pillow on my face and it really hurt because the zipper whacked my knee.
What?
The zipper on that just whacked my knee. It was like,
Oh, you're using it.
my name's Jeff. I am a Jeff. You are a Jeff. Everybody's a Jeff. Oh, please don't mess up my computer. This computer's already good enough. Alright, Blimp. Kill him! Oh, I thought that was me. I'm like, oh no, they're killing me. No, pop the balloons faster, you idiots. Pop them faster. I think I'll survive.
He's
No.
getting a dart monkey to save himself.
Ooh.
Ooh, and that's
I won! And I won!
Both the games happen the same way. One time you lost like completely without you realizing it, and then the second one you won without completely realizing it.
I won! Yeah, let's go! And also, that's a great time to end this video.
Because it's getting long.
We'll cut out some of it, but okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and like if you haven't already. And see you guys next time.
Bye.
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 Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.